How to fix a frozen screen, unresponsive or stuck on Apple logo for the Apple Watch 9. So what you need to do is press and hold on the crown button and the power button, the side button here. Press on both buttons at the same time and hold to restart your watch. So let's do it now. Press on both buttons simultaneously and hold. So simultaneously press on both buttons and hold until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Now press and hold, continue to hold, continue to hold. Now once you see the Apple logo appear, your watch will reboot, and this will essentially fix the frozen screen and restart fresh again. And that's it. So if you have an issue with the screen is not responding, try to restart your Apple Watch by pressing and hold the crown button at the same time with the power button or the side button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.